Your money is not complete. You will take it in the next meeting.
Why you tell me say make my money not complete? No be the last 3 weeks they give one person money there. You don't reach my turn and the money not there. Man, I give it now.
You all say president no day. Now the shout from vice president.
When I tell you say now you are go marry. This our love go.
Hello, darling. See, I'm in a meeting now. I will call you back later. No, I cannot tell you I love you now. Even your husband is here in the meeting.
What? Oh, what?